filter maintenance is one of the most important things to keeping your vacuum at a premium condition, but also preventing loss of suction in the future. Now, for many individuals, they might have forgotten they had the filters, they might have forgotten to clean the filters. Regardless of what it is, we've all done it. It's not the first priority on our minds. However, Dyson's made this nice and simple and easy to clean. Highlighted at the back, it's in purple. You're looking to just give it a quarter turn, remove the filter, and rinse this through water. Leave it to dry for 24 hours, making sure it's fully dry, not damp, before it goes back into the vacuum. Now, I'd say when it comes to cleaning your filters, it just depends on the individual and how much to clean and how dirty that filter actually is. So for some people this might be weekly, other people this might be monthly. My advice to you is check your filters weekly. Doesn't mean you have to wash them, just make sure that there's no debris or any discoloration to the filter. It should be this nice lily white colour at all times.